Change to Fly by LJ. I had to change so I could fly. My dream was one day to visit the sky. I'd wiggle and jiggle, rolled over and around. But that didn't help. I was still on the ground. One day I stopped thinking and crawled to my passion. I told a few friends, but got a negative reaction. They laughed and they giggled. That hurt my emotion. So I didn't invite them. There'd be a distraction. I traveled alone and no one would know. My skin changed a lot. I ate leaves to grow. I got so big. I was tired and sleepy. I built a house called Chrysalis for a few days to keep me. The sun came out and I was awake. I felt very different. My house began to shake. Oh no! I cried out. My house went down, but I was safe in the air and off the ground. Sometimes you gotta change to fly. Sometimes you gotta change to fly. Do something different in your life. Change to fly. Bye.